Here's how to factory reset your Samsung phone. Now, the first option you have is if your phone is unlocked. You can head into the settings and factory reset it. I'll also show you another example where the phone is not unlocked or you don't know or forgot the passcode. Now, in this first option, once you're in the settings, all you need to do is scroll down. I would highly recommend initially going to Accounts and Backup. And then for Google Drive or Samsung Cloud or whatever you use, just tap on Backup Now and back up your phone. Of course, after you go through the process of factory resetting it, it'll wipe all of the data, so you want to make sure it's backed up on the cloud somewhere. So go through the process of backing up your phone. After you've done that, let's go back to the beginning of your settings. And then you're going to scroll down until you get to General Management. Tap on that. And then we're going to scroll down again until you get to Reset and tap on that. All you need to do from here is go down to the bottom to Factory Data Reset. You'll be able to see it will say it will basically erase and remove all of your photos, your Google data, your settings. It'll sign you out of all of these existing accounts that you're currently signed into. And then if you're ready, go down to the bottom and hit the reset button. However, again, this is if you know or remember the passcode. Let's say you didn't remember that. So I'm going to get out of here and lock my phone here. So you can see if I tap on it and I don't know what the password is, the first thing we need to do is to turn your phone off and boot it up again in recovery mode. So to do that, I'm going to press and hold the volume down and the power button until I see the phone screen go completely black. So you'll be able to see here, I'm going to press and hold the volume down and the power button, and you'll be able to see this, but I'm going to continue to hold it until the entire screen goes black. After it does go black, I'm going to press volume up and the power button. This will get me into recovery mode. So again, once it's turned off and once the phone screen goes black, hit the power button and the volume up and hold it until you see the Samsung logo appear here on your Android phone. And this will boot it up in recovery mode. Now you can factory reset it just by using the volume down to get down to wipe data / factory reset. It does give you a warning on here though. It says if your phone is reset, you'll need to enter your Google account information, email and password and associated with this phone until you can use it again. So you might need to enter in that information once you do factory reset it, but it'll just be wiped as if you just got that phone.